Odd CHF has been an amazing trade. I made my entry last week, of course, and of course I've been letting my trade play out as usual. When you have a good trade or when you're in profit, just let your trade do its thing. Let the profit keep on running. So today's video, I'm just going to analyze and maybe break down this trade, show you what happened, how I took this trade, how the market was looking like before all this madness, my analysis. So first things first, let me take you back to the daily. All right, so if I do like this is how the market was looking like. So if you try to look at this type of a player, you won't understand. That's why I do recommend that you guys should always add your trend line. Despite all, I know most of you trading your demand supplies on your SMC ICT trader, but I never forget to add my trend line. Okay, they will just tell me general direction, whether the market has taken out a trend, maybe we're in a downtrend, maybe the market now has taken out that downtrend, and now of course we are now back to an uptrend, or vice versa. So let's see. Now bringing in my trends, as you can see, of course, now look at this. This was, I'll call this out as usual. So I'll say this was my demand zone right here, and of course right here was the supply zone. So I understood that now the market is probably, if you look at it, the market is moving sideways. Okay, so let me just rewind everything and show you what I'm talking about right there. So the market is moving sideways if you look at it like that. Okay, all right. So but now if you bring in your trends, you'll see that, okay, we had a downtrend right here. Okay, we had that type of a trend, and just going to the lower time frame, it told us that, okay, the price was almost taking out that downtrend. At the same time, you see that we had somehow third touches. Remember, third touch rule. We had a first touch, second touch, and the third touch. So that's like a triple bottom. Okay, so if we had a triple bottom, now we understand how the market was approaching that demand zone of ours, and now it was approaching that level in a contraction type of a play. So that means that the market was almost, ready to reverse to the upper side. So let's go to the H4 and see what the market was doing. Okay, now when we head to the H4, we need to understand how the market is approaching our downtrend, that is our resistance downtrend. Okay, and if we see some bullish property, that is a bullish continuation property, which is a bullish flag, then now we should be ready that now this market is telling us that now it's time to break that resistance and we go in for our buy position. So let's see what the market did. Okay, now the market just broke out of that level with an impulse. So if we had an impulse, we expect that the market should give us now a correction. Now on that correction, that is when we look for that bullish property that I was talking about, the bullish flag. And now if we see a reversal now to the 15 minutes, that is when we execute our buy position. So let's go back to the 15 minutes and see what the market did. Okay, now when we go to the 15 minutes, we already see that price started giving us that correction form or correction phase, which is a bullish property. Let's see, the market did that. Okay, now see that the market went back to give us now a new trend. So if you can see that now, okay, the market has given us right here a higher high and a higher low. Now if we get a break, we continue with our buy. That is, the buy property is confirmed. So the market did its thing. Let me take you to the H1. I don't want to waste your time. So the moment I saw that, okay, the market has given us a new high, so if it takes that new high, I'm going in. Okay, price went up, then now it did this, I was in. Okay, so that was the first entry that I took on this joint, and now price continue playing out. Okay, so as price plays out, guys, you need to follow along, maybe draw in more support or more trend line, so that now you might consider maybe scaling in more position. You see, scaling in more position for maximum gain or maximum profit. Okay, so let's see. Price continue doing its thing. Now the price gave us another bullish flag, that is, sorry. So now going back to the 15, let me show you something. Going back to the 15, I just realized that okay, we had another bullish flag, but at the same time price gave me a reversal, an inverse head and shoulder, and the moment it took out that neckline, I added a position. So let me just show you. Okay, so now look at this. Okay, this was this level right here, left shoulder, the head, then the right shoulder. Now price broke out, and then okay, at the moment price broke out, I waited for a second chance, a pullback, then I'll make a decision whether to take a buy or to stay away. Okay, then the market came back once again, then it broke. That is when I did make another second entry position. Yeah, so let's see our positions. Alright, so I had a position on Aussie CHF, and it's still playing out, and I'm going to explain everything once the price done its thing. You understand? Yeah, so everything is still looking good, what I mean? This is our target on this level, and yeah, we expect price to keep doing its thing. You understand? I explain everything in my trading view, basically. You can see everything is in profit. You understand? Everything is still in profit, yeah. So scaling in after scaling in, yeah. Scaling in after scaling in. So if I had a position, I could have added another scaling in position right now, but there was news, and the market has not given me any reversal structure. So I'll explain everything. Let me go back to sleep. Let's go and see how our trade is playing out. You understand how the trade is playing out, Yes. And testing. Okay. GBP Okay. Not bad. How's the CHF still playing out nicely though? Yes. So let me just show you my Telegram. Just a minute, let me just show you my Telegram, just to show you that I made these entries. Okay, so as that opens, let me see what the market did. So the market as usual played out, the market did its thing, but during this period, guys, I don't have a problem with pullbacks. The market is the market. It won't just go all the way up or all the way down. The market needs to go up, come down, or need to go down, then goes up. Okay, so as long as we are still playing around that trend line of ours, with our support and our resistance type of a trend line, as long as we're still playing within that level, then despite all the madness or the pullback, then I won't close my position, because the market has not given me any sign that it wants to reverse. So I'll stay calm, of course, so then follow along as it continue creating more bullish flags or continuation pattern. That is when maybe you might consider adding more position. So let's see. Let me just open that Telegram thing and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so right here, so this is when the market was playing out. So you can see, of course, I had a position on GBP JPY. I'll make a video on that later. You can see Audi CHF right there. This was a funded account. Right now I was up around 626, you know. Then now this was a personal account. Personal account also up 85, you know, as it plays out. And you see, and I closed my position yesterday because there was an incoming news, you know, I never wanted to risk. That was 123 on my personal account, and now on my funded account I closed on $890. So it was an amazing run. So let me just play out this video for you to understand.
Yeah, so guys, this is amazing, you know. So yeah, we have an incoming news, but I don't want to risk this profit, so I'm just going to close this right now. Stop, and you know, do that. So I won't risk. You understand? Yeah, so guys, this is amazing, you know. Close this right now. Stop.
So you see, that was an amazing trade. Let me continue doing the replay thing, and you see the market did this. In fact, I forgot, guys, to show you before. Let me show you before. Of course, I had that screenshot. So this is it. So the market played out. Yo, I never cared about this madness or the pullback as the market plays out. You know, the market is the market, you know. Let's do this. Let's continue. I forgot, yo, anytime I make my entry, yeah, after the market starts playing out, I go back to the 15. That is where I see the patterns, you know, the continuation pattern, to understand whether the market might be pulling back or might be reversing, you see. So I stay on the 15 to continue, you know, monitoring my trade as it plays out. So that's why you see that right now we are at the 15 minutes. So the market did this thing as usual. Oh, come on. See, the market is now amazing as usual. I don't care about the pullbacks, like I said before. Okay, the market. So now you can see that these are just continuation patterns, guys. These are just continuation patterns. The market is telling you, yo, if you missed out on this buy entry, or if you missed out on this ride, yo, the market is, you know, the train is going to stop at the next station for you guys to get in as we continue riding. Okay, so if you never so if you miss out the first station entry of the train, you know, wait for the next station, the train, board the train, let's go. So that's how the market behaves. At least the market is a beautiful thing, yo. At least, yo, it gives you chances to join, you know, join. So that's, oh, look at that, that's another chance. That's like another pullback. Okay, telling you, yo, the train is at the next station. Board, man. Let's go. You see, that's let's go. That's it. So the market is currently at that level, but of course my first take profit, as you can see, I have an alert here. That should be the first take profit. And let me take you back to the H4. You know, just a minute. So you can see that this was the final TP. Okay, so if you can see that this is the first entry right here, price has played nicely, and also we had a second entry right here, price still played out nicely. So let me just, like I said, let me just show you that screenshot. Let me show you the screenshot. Show you the screenshot right here. Before, you know, like I say, guys, I do document my trades. Nothing here is fake. You understand? I'll show you the dates. Like I told you, I took the entry last week, Friday, and I'm just going to show you the screenshot. Yeah. Let the Google Docs load, man. Okay, so let's go right here. So you can see, once you can try to zoom, this was on February 16th 2024. February 16th 2024. When was that? Let me check my calendar just to show you guys that this was an amazing thing. February 16th. So you see guys, February 16th was Friday. You see? And you can see right now how the market is looking like an amazing trade. And today is February 21st. You see guys, so that's how we tackle, or that's how we analyze the market easily. And if we don't get any news, yo, if we had nothing like news, I could have just held this position, but you never wanted to give out the profit that I made to from this market. I never wanted to trail my stop loss because this was an amazing trade. I was adding more position, so I never wanted to trail my stop loss, or I never wanted to move my stop to break even. Okay, so I just decided to close, but it was an amazing run, yo, 890. Who can give you that? Yeah. So if you guys learned something, smash that subscribe button and that like button, and also check out my Telegram channel, link in the description box below. And guys, do not be scammed. There's a Telegram channel using my name. I believe there's so many using my name to scam people. I don't do any investment. I don't trade crypto, you see. So I'll never text you guys, and I don't do any investment package, guys. So do not send anybody's money. You know, before you send money, guys, try to maybe call that guy. See, you guys know my voice, so call that guy. And you know, if you hear some crazy thing, that's not me, guys. All my links are in the description box of me. Adios, amigos. Peace.